Hello everyone, welcome to the Fashion Psychology online course tutorial. I'm going to walk you through the steps to complete the course. First of all, we're going to register by clicking here and filling out your details. You'll then receive this email where you need to click the link to verify your account, and then you can go back to the page and sign in. You can have a browse of the courses that we've got. I'm going to go through the colour psychology one for this example. So have a look, read through it, and then go ahead and click buy now. You can enter your payment details and confirm the payment. You'll receive this message and then the course will be available in your student portal. If you go to your courses, you can then begin the course from there and you can work your way through the videos. We've got the course slides available for you to download in a PDF format, and we've also got course notes for you to keep for your records. After each section, it's really important that you click mark as complete, otherwise you won't be allowed to move on to the next section. We've got some quizzes, so you can start a quiz, fill out your answer, and then make sure to click mark as complete again. And then you can work your way through all of the stages, really get your psychology knowledge, making sure to click mark as complete. And once you've got to the end, you'll reach the key takeaways, and again, click mark as complete. We've got a section over here where you can ask us any questions if you need any help or you want to learn anything else. And then you've completed the course. Congratulations, you're free to share it and have a look if there's any more you'd like to complete. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at info@psychologyofashion.co.uk.